Yo, my fellow money makers, it's PTC Pet and his beautiful little baby. And of course, education is the key. Let's make it happen today as we're going to stake our United tokens in the ucube. In the ucube. So as you can see, I've sent 1.240 million United to the ucube.eu. And then you can just check out some projects. You can decide where to put it in. And as you can see, like here, the minimum is the price of United. As you see here is the same one from Goku Market. It's not the same one you see on the CoinMarketCap, but still, it's going nicely. As you can see here that we stake United for 0.5 daily. And let's go and put on a few more. Then we're going to support the project. And I can put in 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then support the project. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. So I believe it's asking me to do maximum 50,000. Support the project. I support the project. Let's go to the project again. View some more. Support the project. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I have exhausted the maximum deposit limit. Let's check my wallet. And then it says that I have put in the maximum amount. So that's the maximum deposit limit. I've put in a little bit more. And let's go to the projects again. This one is paying like 0.2 a day, I believe. View some more. Total supply. It can take, building testing can take like 6 months. Maximum support is 50,000 United. If the 12-month contract ends, all your initial deposit United will be sent back to your wallet without any deduction. Well, as you can see, this one is working correctly now. I think I'm going to be making a withdrawal and put another 50,000 in my wife's account. So let's go like this. Hey, baby. Let's go like this. Make a withdraw from the ucube.eu. Hey. Then we go like, copy my address of TronLink Pro. Say I want to receive it in this address. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like $5,000. Transaction fee 1%. And of course, I'm getting a OTP. That's normal. So we're going to just wait a second for it to reflect in the wallet. Let's check it out. 469893. 469893. Then withdraw. Insufficient balance in United. One second again, guys. 7, 4. Okay, 7, 3, 9, 9, 9, 9. Let's go like that then. OTP sent. New message. 881232. 881232. Wait, what? 232. 2881. Okay. 881. 232. Withdraw. I'm doing something wrong. Let's go to wallet. Oh, wait, I'm taking, oh, I already see what I'm doing wrong, guys. I'm taking a 0 too much. Let's do it again. Let's go to 740,000. right? I think. Show me the message. 990040. 990040. Request submitted successfully. I think he also automatically taken the fee. And let's do it like this one also. Let's go like 2,500. And then just send it also. My wife is making dinner. So I'm here with the baby. 606072. 606072. Yeah. As you can see, the fee is also automatically going off. I think there was a mistake. Let's make it also with a withdrawal of THX. Like, let's make it 1600. 1650. That's like $140. Hey. As you can see, we are finding it out how it is. Hello. My baby. New withdrawal OTP 725251. 725251. And withdraw. And as you can see, my THX will also be sent. Small amounts directly get sent. Bigger amounts, of course, take a little bit of time. So we're just going to wait for these ones to reflect. And then I'll make an account for my wife to be putting also in the staking. I haven't seen that I've put too much in it. So we're going to find out if it's still going to count. And otherwise, I'll just write the support. This is a quick video, of course, of how to do it. And stay safe and be blessed, everybody. I was a little bit failing at this video, but no worries about that, as I'm taking you on a tour on learning how to do this. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making money, everybody. For those that are wondering how my little one is doing, you can see we are making the magic happen. Let's go like this.